If you sell on Etsy, infographics, or what I like to call product cards, are incredibly helpful for filling your listing photo slots and creating videos that clearly showcase your products. I used to make all of my product cards in Canva, but now I use ChatGPT to help pull them together. It's faster, easier, and saves me so much time. If we haven't met yet, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain vessels into works of art using sublimation and engraving. To make product cards, I start with real photos of my candles, or my engraved lids, as seen here. I put my original photos into ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to make me a product card with my specifications. Let's talk about the different type of product cards to use. Let's first talk about the product detail card. This card details all the product information the client might wonder about. For candles, I share if the design is printed to glass or engraved, product specifications, wax type, burn time, etc. Next is a photo of how the candle is packaged. A gift wrap product card shows your customer what kind of unwrapping experience they can look forward to. Next is engraved lid product cards. These are very useful to show types of messages clients might want to engrave for a particular candle, useful in the personalization candle market. Next is the How to Order product card. I just give ChatGPT a photo of my candle and the steps for how to order, and it made a beautiful product card, just like this. Fragrance product cards. Whether you are offering just one fragrance or giving your customer a fragrance choice, making a product card makes it easy for the customer to understand your fragrance choices and the ingredients. It's the details of each fragrance that can help you stand out. Remember, often your client does not read the description. Info cards should answer all the questions your buyer might have. I often use my info cards in my video, as sometimes it is the best way to move your customer to a purchase. The video is a quick hook to get them interested in looking at the subsequent photos where they can linger to get more information. Use about 3 seconds per slide in your video, as you have a total of 15 seconds without sound to capture your customer's interest. Let me know in comments what product cards you would like to see and which product cards are most useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if it gives you value. This helps us reach more candle makers. If you're serious about candle making, start thinking like a candle artist. If you want to go deeper into candle design, sublimation, engraving, and creating candles that truly stand out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in getting my book on sublimation and engraving at cost, the link is in the description. Buyers of my book can explore a free trial that includes one-on-one coaching, a physical monthly newsletter delivered to your front door, and my private school community. And if you'd rather buy my candles instead of making them yourself, I've added a link to my Etsy shop below. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.